Taurus, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading ngayong September 23 to 29, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Ayan, let's see what's coming to you, Taurus. And also, sabay na rin natin yung full moon. Kasi meron tayong full moon ngayong September 18. Bukas, 10:34 ng umaga. Partial lunar eclipse. Oo. So, this is going to happen in your 11th house of friendship, your community, your hopes, your dreams. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, Taurus, you may be setting new goals para sa mga plano mo, sa mga pangarap mo, mga gusto mong ma-achieve. And some of you, meron kayong realizations ng mga bagay na na sa tingin mo hindi na siya, ayaw mo na siyang i-pursue. Let's say, dati gusto mong sumubok na magnegosyo, pero you realize na hindi pa tamang oras or parang hindi ka pa ready. So, pwedeng i-postpone mo muna at magpupurso ka ng ibang bagay na mas practical sa situation mo ngayon, no? So, example lang naman yan. Pwedeng anything, kahit ano na plano mo before, na ngayon ay nagbabago at sa tingin mo, hindi siya practical na i-pursue or ipagpatuloy sa ngayon. Some of you may also be cutting off connections or friendships na alam mong hindi na helpful sa'yo or parang it's no longer serving you, no? Your highest good. Pwede rin yan part ng community na kung dati naging part ka ng isang grupo pero na-realize mo na hindi na pala maganda yung impluensya nila sa'yo or hindi ka na nakakasabay sa trip nila. Oo. So, let's see what else you have. The Page of Pentacles. So, some of you, pwedeng meron kayong pag-aaralan. Maaring you will involve yourself in online courses. Meron kang mga gustong i-pursue na bagong pagkakakitaan. At syempre, bago mo pasukin yan, pag-aaralan mo muna. 'Di ba? Para meron kang knowledge. Alam mo kung paano mo siya sisimulan, ano yung pasikot-sikot. You also have, wow, the Empress, this is your energy. This is abundance. Oo, you are gaining a lot of attention rin, no? Maaring yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong community na sinusuportahan kayo sa mga endeavors ninyo. Pwedeng meron kayong business or career path na pina-follow nila dahil nakaka-relate sila sa inyo. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong creative project na sisimulan ngayong week na to. You have the Ace of Swords. So, this is finding clarity in your situation. So, kumbaga, nahanap mo na yung susi sa idea na gusto mong i-pursue. So, pwedeng meron kang yung tinatawag nilang eureka moment na meron kang realization na, ay, gusto ko to, ito pala yung gusto kong i-pursue. May mga bago kang idea na pwede mong magamit sa work, sa trabaho mo, sa business mo, na very exciting. You also have the Knight of Pentacles. So, yung pag-execute mo nito, hindi siya yung parang bara-bara or mabilisan. Talagang pinagpaplanuhan mong maigi. Slowly but surely. Oo. Gusto mo na yung effort mo, yung mga ibibigay mong oras, panahon dito ay worth it. Walang masasayang. Also have Juno, partnership. So, yung iba sa inyo, you will enter a partnership. This can be a business partnership. Pwede rin tong friendship, no? You may find a new friend or a new person that will help you achieve your goals and dreams. Yung iba, pwede rin tong romantic partner. Kasi nga, marami kayong, you're gaining a lot of attention. So if you are single, there's a possibility na merong bagong person na dumating. You also have the 10th house. This is your career. So ngayon, very focused ka in achieving your goals, your dreams. Willing ka na na mag-undergo sa proseso, na pagdaanan yung proseso, maabot mo lang yung tagumpay. Diba yung mga naakyat ng bundok, mountaineers? Ang hirap umakyat sa bundok, ha? Nakakapagod. Tapos, andyan pa yung danger, 'di ba? Dahil matarik yung ibang part ng bundok. Minsan madulas, tapos unpredictable pa yung weather. Pero, pagdating naman sa tuktok ng bundok, no, dun sa summit, pag nakita mo na yung view, priceless yon. So, masasabi mo na, uy, worth it talaga. So, that's what I'm seeing for you. Oh, you're shining. It's your time to shine, Taurus. I see that you are becoming more confident sa sarili mo. Maaring meron ka ring mga changes na or ini-improve sa sarili mo physically. That's why you are becoming more attractive. So, yung attraction naman, hindi lang yan sa opposite sex, no? Or or romantic attraction. Pwede kasing ma-attract sa'yo yung isang tao na masabi lang nila na, uy, ang ganda mo, or ang pogi mo, or may something sa'yo ngayon, you're glowing, o ganyan. So, maraming makakapansin sa'yo sa mga pagbabago na makikita nila sa inyo. Yung iba naman kahit wala kang gawing pagbabago sa physical appearance mo, it's just the attitude, na minsan, yung, let's say for example, meron kang na-gain na bagong knowledge tsaka skills, no? So, syempre, parang magdadagdag yan ng tiwala mo sa sarili mo kasi proud ka sa bago mong natutunan na laman. So, mas magiging confident ka, 'di ba? So, money, career, finances, you have the 8 of Cups. You are leaving a situation that is no longer serving your highest good. This is a toxic situation sa trabaho, sa career, sa business. So, I think alam mo na kung saan ka, alam mo na kung ano yung ipupursu mo. That's why anything that is no longer serving your highest good, you're going to leave that situation, especially in your career or business or sa finances. Sa love life, you have the Justice card and the 5 of Cups. O yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong realization ng halaga ninyo sa isang relationship. So, minsan, hindi naman natin kailangan makapaghiwalay sa isang tao para lang sabihin natin na alam mo na yung value mo. So, pwede naman tong mapag-uusapan, no, na hindi nyo kailangan maghiwalay. But, I'm seeing here na you know your worth pagdating sa relationship and you will not take anything less than what you deserve. And if you feel na hindi ka napapahalagahan, then maybe you will have this realization na, oh, baka it's time to go or it's time to leave this person dahil you feel like hindi mo din deserve yung taong yun. So, it's still your decision. Okay? If you're single naman, I think you are still focusing on yourself. You are still in the process of healing, lalo na kung merong tao na nang ghost sa'yo or merong tao na na-disappoint ka. This is about your past experience na still you are in the process of moving on and moving forward. So, meron ditong gentleman. So, maaring isa ito sa person na very important sa iyo ngayon or significant sa pagbabago na ginagawa mo sa iyong buhay. This can be a romantic partner or a boss or a new business partner. May mountain na naman. So this obstacle is a chance to succeed. Courage and persistence are all you will need. So kung ano man yung obstacle sa harap mo, kayang-kaya mo tong ma-overcome. Kailangan lang dyan, meron kang lakas ng loob. 'Di ba? Palakasan lang talaga ng loob yan. Take a reality check. Yes. So, ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na kayo ang magde-decide whether you are happy or you deserve what you are getting right now. Kasi kung sa tingin mo hindi mo yun deserve, I feel like some of you are going to leave that situation. Whether relationship man yan or sa career. Breathe through the tension. Ayan. So, syempre, hindi ka rin basta-basta na, you know, ilalabas yung emotion mo na yan na parang pwedeng makasakit ng ibang tao. I feel like you are going to control your emotions na alam mo kung paano ma-manage yung emotions mo para hindi ka makapagsalita or makapagsabi or makagawa ng mga bagay na pagsisisihan mo in the end. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye!